me dispel a myth. There is no good time to fire an employee, but there's one thing you can do to make firing an employee easier on her and less likely to create liability for your business. It's deceptively simple. Don't surprise an employee. While common wisdom says, be quick to fire, don't be too quick. An employee who's surprised that she's being fired often feels unfairly treated. She gets angry and is more likely to claim that their firing was wrongful than people who understand why the decision was made. Have a written policy that lets the employee know in advance what's expected of her and some of the reasons she might lose her job. In progressive discipline, each policy violation results in an escalation of reprimands until termination of employment. Progressive discipline puts the employee on notice that his job is at risk and gives him a chance to fix the problem. Each time the employee fails to meet the company's expectations, the level of discipline is increased. A first offense would merit a verbal warning, the second a written warning, and so on through increasingly serious penalties, and then to firing. However, if an employee poses a safety concern, whether physical or to the company information or reputation, or has engaged in serious conduct that can't be fixed, such as stealing from the company, the immediate response should be to put the employee on unpaid leave before pulling the termination trigger. Surprised ex-employees are angry ex-employees. Angry ex-employees are more likely to sue than just unhappy ones. To reduce the risk to the company from a firing, make sure the employee isn't surprised by the decision to fire her. I'm attorney Nancy Greene, and I'm here to help you avoid the legal landmines that can blow up your business. Subscribe to get my latest tips and find more information on my website. Just when you thought I was finished, here's the legal mumbo jumbo.